What's up, guys? Welcome back to Bakes Foods. Today we're gonna do some. What are we even calling this?
It's pretty much a garlic onion stuffed pork butt roast that we smoke first and then put on the vertical rotisserie, so we get that double smoke action.
It's gonna be good.
We are using a 4-pound pork shoulder roast. We're going to puncture this vertically to create a cavity so we can stuff it with garlic, onion, and a little bit of seasoning. We're using minced garlic, packing it in there nicely. And making sure to layer it. So we use Lori's seasoning salt, but you can use salt and pepper or any of your favorite pork seasoning. Now that we got it all stuffed, I'm gonna get it seasoned up. We want to make sure we pat down the seasoning so it really sticks to it. We're going to repeat this process with all the sides, making sure it's nice and covered.
Now we're gonna put our soaked wood chips in here. What kind of chips are these?
Those are hickory.
Gonna go ahead and put them in there and spread them out. Very hot. So those should start to smoke. We're just gonna add this guy, fat cap up here on the top, right where our thermometer is. And that should read about 220 to get a good smoke. Oh yeah. See that smoke coming out? So 235, we're gonna go ahead and take that down a little bit. Alright. Hopefully that gets us to about 220. We're gonna smoke that for about an hour, hour and a half. Then we're gonna put it on DIY vertical rotisserie.
Now we're cooking with charcoal. So, yeah, you put that on. Yep.
This is gonna work.
The Glover do.
Scuba
It's like the scuba do, but
more glovey. Get a nice little pan of that bad boy.
oh, dude, look at that smoke ring.
So we got about an hour and a half of smoke flavor. She's still not cooked. And onto the scooper glove. Oh, it ain't that bad.
It wasn't that bad the whole time.
And wait for it. Oh, right through the hole.
Just food porn at its finest.
Bruh.
Like I said before, it's a self-fed gravity feed charcoal burner.
What?
Just add the new coals to the top, and then they will automatically catch
What?
from the other coals.
What do you think about that, guys?
Mind blown.
Okay,
Oh, baby. Oh, the whole thing game. It's going. Oh, God. Oh, baby. See, here's our onions there coming out the center. Oh.
She's a beat, mate.
She's a beat.
She's a bloody beat.
we're gonna let this rest for 5-10 minutes here, and then we're gonna cut into it, try it out. All right. Ooh, look at that onion in there.
Oh my goodness.
If we had some gravy for this, oh my, look at that, the onion in every bite. Onion and garlic.
In every bite.
Look at that. Just drip it on there.
Yeah, I don't think it's juicy enough.
All right, we're gonna give this a try and get it plated up. All right. Got it all cut up here. It's nice tender pork. You can taste the smoky flavor in there. Actually, these potatoes are amazing.
This one could try it.
Oh. Yeah, outside crispy layer.
Oh,
And the potatoes, you gotta try them potatoes that were not really featured in the video.
No.
If you want the recipe, just let us know. We'll do it.
Are you kidding me?
They're so
Are you
good.
kidding me?
They're so good.
Was that not featured? Oh my. Oh. That is 100% super healthy for you.
Homemade potatoes au gratin.
Oh.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give us a like, comment, let us know what you think. Stay tuned for the next video, and oh man, also let us know if you want to see a video for that those potatoes, man. Those are good.
They were amazing.
Yeah.
Or, I mean, if you want to see a house on fire, we got you.
Yeah, we're probably gonna burn this house down. Anyway, till the next one, guys. Bakes out.
shut up, Jim.
Shout out to Jim.
Say shout out, Jim.
Oh, shout out, Jim.
Bendy spoon, you know.
Mind blown.